Hello, Joseph. As Anna told you over the phone, we are working with kitchen remodeling companies all over the country, and we were doing some research in your area when we came across your listing in Angie's List, and then we checked your website. My name is Nasos Georgalis, and we're doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on the front page of a website. You don't have a website, you only have a Facebook page. So I'm gonna go to this guy over here who ranks high in your area when it comes to kitchen remodeling, Jacksonville NC. And what we can do here is that we can check his word count and we can see that he only has 385 words on his front page. Content in our front page should be typically around 1500 to 2000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what a front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow it to allow the business owner to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search the business or search for someone that offers their services. As I said, the 385 words that this guy has is way below that, which proves what we usually come across with, that content is something that web designers in general overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that when you decide to build a web page, you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if I do a search here in Google, basically about kitchen remodeling Jacksonville NC, and we go at the map section following the ads over here, and we see those three listings that are known as the Google Map Pack, you should know that you're going to get 20% of your total cost by being in this spot. You were at this spot when it comes to renovations, but you are not in this spot when it comes to kitchen remodeling. And we can succeed on that. When you build a web page, we do different service pages. So we have a service page regarding kitchen remodeling. We have a service page regarding bathroom remodeling, or whatever else that you're interested to. We put the right keywords there, so you started ranking for everything individually. You're doing a good job on the renovation, but it doesn't seem that you're ranking kitchen remodeling that you said to Anna you are interested in. So the presence that you have here has to do a lot with citations. And if we go and use this, what a citation basically is essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. If we take a look at a special tool we have here at the agency, we can see that you have 4 citations, whereas the competition has, like, there are people that have 11, 18, 16, 21, 19, 19. So nothing that it's not doable, and we can succeed in getting you some more citations, and that would be number 2 for you. In order to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there, find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using the example of this guy that we were showing you earlier, we're going to use a special tool we have here at the agency called Ahrefs, and we're going to see all the different websites that this guy is currently linking to. So imagine that if you had a website, in order for you to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in. So you're getting as many backlinks as they are. And then you get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. Ahrefs shows that these guys' backlinks are 344, which are bringing him approximately 121 keywords and 42 people on average to his website every month. So if we click on his keywords, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after. Because as I said earlier, in order for you to beat out your competition online, you just gotta rank for more keywords and in higher places like them and get more traffic than they do. So here, for instance, you have construction companies in Jacksonville NC. There's a volume of 50 searches a month, and the keyword difficulty is 0. That's very good. So we can go after this word, and this guy here gets 17 people out of the 50. He gets the 17, and he's in position number 1. That's a keyword we can go after. So that is an example of what we can do if you have a website that you can work with and bring you more traffic. And hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how we did on this video. Thank you so much for your time and hope you enjoyed it. I will follow up with you soon. Bye-bye.